So I joined back in June 2016, and then I was approached around potentially taking part in the apprenticeship scheme. One thing when I heard I was going to be an apprentice was this is just for school leavers. Didn't really know that they could do apprenticeships for when you're a little bit further in your career. So for me to find out that apprenticeships aren't just for people just starting out in the career has been fantastic. Going back to some of these core basics, especially around financial principles and within managing teams, setting goals for individuals, to go back, reflect, study, and then actually be able to apply these on the day-to-day, that's been fantastic. This course has been really helpful in some of my own confidence, especially because it's some of the first time I'm taking on more managerial responsibilities in my direct role. It's great for me, myself, the organization, my team members that I'm working with. My manager has been fantastic. He's really taken an interest in what I'm doing. And we go through some of the material together to do catch-ups, and very supportive, which is great. We get constantly sent material. I think you get exposure to so much resources. Just the exposure that you can get is massive. So I think it's really beneficial to be part of the CMI community. So I would definitely recommend that people look at the CMI apprenticeship routes. I think the community that you can get exposed to is fantastic, but also for individuals' own development. So far, my experience has been nothing but really positive, and definitely something I would recommend.